Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and I know you here. If you're watching this video, you want to know how much battery life you're going to get out of the Galaxy Watch. So listen, just stay tuned. That info is coming right up. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today I get the information you've been looking for about the Galaxy Watch and the battery life on whether it's good or whether it's bad. Now, the review that we're going to be doing today is going to be on the 46mm, so if you want me to do a review on the rose gold edition of the Galaxy Watch, then hit me in the comment section down below. I get enough people to comment on that, then I will go ahead and do a review, test the battery life out, and bring you the info. All right? Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and finish this off. First off, I know you've been hitting me left and right, wanting to know about this battery life, and I think I know why. You heard, just like I've heard, that this battery life is gonna last 5 to 7 days. I heard the same thing, very eager to test this thing out. Now, for the rose gold edition, they said it's only gonna last 4 days, with less battery life on that one, right? That was weird in the door, right? So that's neither here nor there. I know that this is probably the basis on which is going to help you to make a decision on whether you should get the Galaxy Watch or just go ahead and get the Gear 3 Classic, the Gear 3 Frontier, and or the Gear Sport. So I'm going to help you out there, right? So let's get started. Let's talk about my experience with the Galaxy Watch and the battery life. Now, I went down to Best Buy. I picked it up on the 24th, brought it back, set it up, paired it up, did an unboxing. I will leave a link in the description down below so you can go ahead and check that out. And I got ready for the next day, which was day 1. Now, mind you, I don't cut anything back. That means the always on display is on. The brightness is at 100% because I got to see, this is the way I ride with my smartwatches. Now, with the Gear 3, I had the same setting. And the Gear 3 was a beast all the way up into the point where the battery life started to fail because of the update. Other than that, I was making it home with 60% battery life every day. And I'm that guy, just so you understand who I am, I'm that guy that I don't cut nothing back. I want to use whatever it is at my disposal. I want to be able to enjoy the watch. I keep my watch on all day. I normally don't take it off to the end of the day or unless I'm doing a video on the smartwatch itself. Other than that, until I go to bed, this watch stays on my wrist, and I charge the watch up every day. Okay? Now, with that being said, I didn't cut anything back. I went to work. I made it home after about a 12, 13-hour day with 60% battery life. Right now, instantly, it reminded me of my experience with the Gear 3. At the same time, the thought kept going because I'm thinking there's no way in the world I'm going to be able to make it through 5 days of battery life, more or less 7 days. Right? So I'm thinking, not me, I'm not gonna make it, right? So the very next day, day 2, I'm off. I decided to do a standby mode test, right? Which is to lay the watch down, don't bother it, see how much drainage is gonna take place just by not using it. And I was very impressed. Now, 7 o'clock the day before, I laid it down, didn't touch it no more till 4:30 in the morning. Picked it up, it was 3% drainage. I was very excited about it. I don't know if that's a good thing or bad thing, but for me, I thought it was good, right? Now, if it's not, then hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know why and why not, okay? Now, let's keep going with this. So now I'm thinking this isn't gonna work, right? So after doing this test, with the 97%, I did get, re-excited about the smartwatch, right? I'm like, man, this is gonna probably work. So what I did was, I put the watch on. I thought this would be a proper test if I went ahead and cut the always on display off, because some of you all do that, and turn the brightness down to 4% because some of you all are gonna do that as well. Now, I'm thinking I should be able to make it through a whole day, at least come home, this is my thinking, at least come home with like 95%. Right? Well, by the time I made it home at 4:30 this evening, I made it home with 84% battery life. Now I'm thinking, right out the gate, I'm not gonna make it through 5 days of battery life, because remember, I keep my watch on all day, so my watch is turning, it's flicking, I'm gonna be checking the time, I may answer a phone call, so I'm thinking this is not gonna work for me. Now, the only way that I'm gonna be able to make it through 5 days of battery life is that once I get home with the 84%, take it off my wrist, lay it down, right? Pick it up the next morning, put it back on. This is without putting it on the charger, and then go about my day. Okay, come home, do the same thing until I get to the 5th day. Then, and only then, will I be able to make it home with, or make it through 5 days of battery life off of the Galaxy Watch. Now, there's other ways, and we're going to talk about that in another video. We're going to make another video on how you can make it through to 5 to 7 days of battery life. But just out the gate, and Samsung didn't lie to us. They told us we would be able to. They just didn't tell us how, right? Because in the door, I'm thinking that once I put this watch on, I should be able to keep the display up and the always mode on. That was my thinking. I don't know about you. Hit me in the comment section down below, because I'm telling you, I would really like to know your thoughts on this one. But for a guy like me, there's nowhere in the world I'm going to be able to make it through 5 days of battery life the way I run with my smartwatch. Now, before you say anything, I'm that guy that when I buy anything, I want to know if it's going to last me the length of time I need for it to last me, whether it be shoes, clothes, anything, smartphone, especially. If I can make it through a whole day with any wearable or electronics, I'm good. Because I always put my phone on the charger, so why not put my watch on the charger? It only makes sense to me. But everybody's different. So make sure you hit me in the comment section down below. I would like to know your thoughts. Now, I don't know if this is going to help you to make a decision. If it did, hit me again. Let me know if you're going to get the Galaxy Watch after this report, or if you're going to go ahead and get the Gear S3 or the Gear Sport or the Gear S2. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I will see you again at the next video. Take care.